In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make YouTube Shorts in Clipchamp 5 minutes. Let's jump right in. First, open Clipchamp in your browser or launch the Windows app. On the home screen, start a new project by selecting Create a new video. This gives you a blank timeline and canvas to work with. Before you add anything, switch the canvas to the correct size for Shorts. In the top right, click the aspect ratio button and change it from 16:9 to 9:16, also called Portrait. That tall vertical frame is the required format for YouTube Shorts, so setting it now saves fixes later. Next, bring your footage in. Click Import Media to upload your clips from your computer, or simply drag and drop them into Your Media panel. If you'd rather start with a ready-made layout, open the Templates tab on the left and search for Mobile or Shorts. Templates can speed things up with pre-sized placeholders and pacing that's already tuned for vertical. If your original video was recorded horizontally, don't worry. Place it on the timeline, select the clip, and use the Fill or Fit options in the floating toolbar. Fill will crop the sides to fill the vertical frame. Fit will show the full clip with black bars. Pick the one that keeps your subject clear, and feel free to reframe by dragging the video in the preview to keep the action centered. Now tighten your story. On the timeline, drag the green handles at the ends of your clip to trim. Keep things punchy and focused. Be sure your total duration stays under 60 seconds so YouTube recognizes it as a short. Many creators aim for 15 to 30 seconds for stronger retention. Add accessibility and engagement with captions. With your clip selected, open the Captions panel and choose Transcribe Media. Clipchamp will auto-generate subtitles, which is great because many viewers watch on mobile with the sound off. Review the transcript for accuracy and adjust styling for readability. For audio, you can browse royalty-free tracks in the content library or create a voiceover with text-to-speech. Whichever you use, keep background music lower than dialogue so your message is clear. To boost interaction, sprinkle in like and subscribe stickers or animated text from the graphics and text tabs. Use them sparingly so they guide the viewer without cluttering the screen. When you're happy, click Export in the top right and choose 1080p for crisp quality. Save the file, then head to YouTube Studio to upload. With a vertical 9:16 video under 60 seconds, it will be treated as a short. Add a clear title and description, and you're done.